Okay, so starting this part of the project, I wasn't totally sure yet
Hi.
which direction I wanted to go as far as even cookie base and then for mix-ins. So I just kind of started working and tasting flavors and trying different things. And so my inspiration was Mountain Dew Live Wire, which is like an orange soda, and mint Oreos. And so as I started playing with my cookie base, like my dough bases and all the ingredients and everything, I kind of quickly zeroed in on using my own sugar cookie dough that I like to, the sugar cookie that I like to make as sort of a base, a jumping off point. And with that, I made a chocolate mint dough made with the cream of a mint Oreo and butter as the fats. And I immediately, so that's the first place I went to, and I immediately decided that I liked that. And then I tried a couple of different options for the chocolate in that cookie base. One being Cocoa Puffs. That was the first thing I tried. And it's too much corn. It's too cereally. It's not the flavor or texture I wanted. So then I took the next step over to chocolate animal crackers and ground those down. And I really liked what I got out of that. I also toyed with the idea of making a ginger snap flour for this cookie, but I realized that that kind of was, departing from where I wanted to go. So I eliminated that. I eliminated those. I eliminated the Cocoa Puffs, but I did make a dough out of the Cocoa Puffs, and it was just sandy and too much corn flavor that I liked, but it was just not right for where I was headed. Right, Pen?
Yeah.
Okay, so from there, I made a mint chocolate cookie dough made with chocolate animal crackers and all-purpose flour, and then butter and the cream of the mint Oreos. So that's one of the doughs I ended up with. And then another dough, I used my same sugar cookie base that I like to use, and I wanted to get an orange sugar cookie dough. And so I tried marmalade as a sugar replacement and addition. And I did 50% flour and 50% animal cracker, pulverized. And oh my gosh, the animal crackers
is so good. Why?
They work so well with the orange. It's funny because I was tasting them the other day and I was thinking to myself, man, these really work. And then I got distracted and kind of moved on with my life. And then my daughter, my 10-year-old this morning, was eating one as I was trying to set up and get ready for, all the testing. And she's like, Mom, these are kind of lemony. And I was like, you're right. Oh my gosh. And then I saw it on the video that Christina pointed out that there was a citrus note in animal crackers. So it kind of all came together to use animal cracker as part of the flour. I used marmalade, and then I reduced the Mountain Dew Live Wire to a syrup. Both of those ended up being a little bit too liquidy for a cookie, but I want to shelf those because I like the idea for maybe a cake soak or something. I don't know. And so I landed on an orange cookie dough that had a 50% orange extract and 50% vanilla for the flavoring, 50% all-purpose flour, 50% animal cracker for the flour. And the cookie dough tasted fantastic. So both the mint chocolate cookie dough and the orange cookie dough, wonderful.